Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus Nord 2T, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So let's just first open the settings application, and after that tap here on the Wi-Fi section. Now just to activate Wi-Fi, we should click here only once on the switcher. If you want to turn it off, click on the switcher once again. After that, when you'll tap to the switcher to activate it, you should select one from these available networks. For example, I'll go with this one. Here we should enter our password to this network. If you want to see this password, just click here once on the eye icon, for example, to have some mistakes here. If you want to remove this password, just in one click here on this X icon. Okay, now I'll enter the password out of screen. And after that, just we should tap on the right upper corner to OK. And now we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. If you want, you can select one more network here, and by the same way enter the password, click here to connect. And after that, you can also use the Wi-Fi assistant, so you can turn on the switcher, and after that your device will just automatically connect to the best Wi-Fi network. And also you can select the switcher just to switch automatically to mobile network if for example your Wi-Fi connection will just slow. So after that, just to turn off the Wi-Fi, you can just turn off this switcher, and that's it. If you wanna just do it by the second way, you can open by another way. You just can open the notification panel, and here you'll find the Wi-Fi icon. Just click once on the icon to activate the Wi-Fi. If you want to launch the Wi-Fi settings, hold for a while this icon, and you can set the result here. And to turn it off, just click on the icon again, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.